Hello everyone, my name is Satya. Welcome to this video where we'll discuss about default gateway automation. Basically, what we'll do is we'll do route print on Windows operating system, and we'll see that default gateway matches with the default gateway that is present in ipconfig. Right, let's dive straight away into the topic. Okay, I will switch my camera. Okay, I'll put in the description box all the videos that are prepared before to this class, which deal with the rest of the code, which is above, right? So in this class, we will only deal with the determining default route in route print, and it gives the gateway same as that is present in the ipconfig command of the Windows. So as I put a comment for this section, determine default route in route print command. So print statement will is just another information info. It contains the info what we are going to do in the rest of the code, right? So here I put print determine default gateway from route print. So then I do default gateway as a list, declare default gateway variable as a list. Then command I give it as route print. Then we use the subroutine subprocess dot run to execute the command route space print on the command prompt, and the standard output is stored in the result variable, and then I typecast result variable into a string, and then I split it with /r/n. Then I go through the result variable for I in result. If re.match, now you might ask me, there is a new addition here, rf. If you want to use a variable as part of regular expression, then rf is very important. This tells the regular expression that part of the regular expression contains a variable. So test1, as you know, is the IP address of the interface for which we are determining the default gateway. Okay, so default gateway is equal to find all this particular. So I will explain this statement. 0.0.0.0.0, that is the default route. So any route or any IP address, when we are pinging or when we are reaching out through the applications, if that route is not present in the route IP route or route print on the link, or it does not match the IP address of the network ID of the link, then it has to go through this default route. So here it says any IP address which is other than the IP address on the link, then you have to go through the default gateway with pointing to the interface represented by the IP address. So then I go through for I in default gateway, split that IP with respect to space if there are more than one default gateways present in the route print. So then I compare if whatever IP address that is got from the parsing of the default gateway list that is matching ipconfig gateway. As you know, ipconfig, IP_config is a dictionary that we created in the previous class. If it matches, then you say that default gateway from route print is the default gateway and it matches with the ipconfig, and then we break the loop. That's how we end the program. Okay. Now let us quickly dwell into the output. Okay, so I already have the output checked and it's working fine. So let us see for this class how the output looks like. So first we need to do CLS. So clear the screen. Then, as you know, the program is ipconfig.py and Python is the executable, right? So once I run it, as explained in the previous classes, it parses the IP address of your system, subnet mask, default gateway, then it pings each and every IP address in the list, right? And at the finally, it will calculate the network ID that we also discussed in the previous class. The final output is the default gateway, right? Default gateway from route front is 192.168.128.1, which matches with the default gateway. Your default gateway is 192.168.128.1. So this is what I wanted to discuss and show you as part of this class. Okay, thank you. Bye.